Okay, so I have two lists here that I want to compare. Uh, so if I just see this, the first one is 179 items and the second one is 197 items. So obviously some things are missing here between the two lists. And I know you can put formulas, some of you are ninjas, but let's use this nifty little tool called difference between lists. So I'll paste my list one here, press Ctrl Shift V to paste without formatting, and I'll go back and select from my second list, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V, and we get the count here. The first one is 179 items, second one is 197 items. Uh, so this is what is missing in the first list. We already have a list of items. Nothing's really missing in two. List 2 everything is there. uh, so just as a test, if I remove Peru from here, you will see Peru is missing in list 2 because it's already there in list 1 but not there in list 2, right? So there are 18 countries missing in list 1 and 1 missing in list 2. Of course, if they're not there in both, then obviously this simple little thing won't know what's missing. Yeah. Then you have these other uh, side lists in a way where you can easily find out uh, what's there in the first and second list. So we have 178 items because we removed Peru, so Peru won't be here uh, because sorry, this is in the first and second list. So whatever is there in both the lists, right? So all of these items won't be here, right? And then this one lists out whatever is there in the second list but also there in the first list, right? So as you can see, there's the same amount in this case. uh, Next thing is 1 and 2 combined, right? So this is a list of all the entries from list 1 and 2, okay, which amounts to 375. And if you look at this list, this is a unique of this 1 and 2 combined, which means if a country is coming twice in both these lists, it will just show up once here in this L column. And we know there are 197 such countries. Uh, yeah, and this is a list of unique items that are there in the first and the second. Uh, yeah, that's about it. Then you also have duplicates in case you have Peru a few times here. I'll just copy and paste it here. So one thing is within the list itself, it will show you. Um, so if I just paste this here a couple of times, you'll see in the list itself, it will highlight all the duplicate entries and it will also give you a list and count of which countries are what. So let's say Peru is just singular in this list. It will say there's nothing found, but in list 1 it says okay, there are 2 Perus. Okay. um, so that's your duplicates, and once you're done with this, you can either reuse the sheet, or if you want a new sheet, you can just click on this link here to get a brand new sheet. Just click on make a copy and you can name your own sheet like this. That's about it. If one of these sections don't make sense to you, you can just wrap them up, say okay, and done. If you want to see them, you can open it up, and that's all. That's all you have to do. If you want more features, if you want me to build more simple little tools like this, please feel free to contact me here at connect@j.pro. Uh, yep. Hope this helped. Thank you guys. Bye.